Good day, Metcalfe Public School, and welcome to the MPS Daily News. Today is Tuesday, November 17th. Bonjour, Metcalfe, et bienvenue au Nouvelle MPS. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi le 17 novembre. Miigwech, did you know that means welcome or you're welcome in Algonquin? The sacred land of the Algonquin Nation is where we are located. This land was never surrendered or unceded, meaning no treaty was ever signed for the Algonquin to give up their land. Let us begin our day by acknowledging the Algonquin Anishinaabe people for allowing us to learn and grow on their land. Miigwech. The news for today. Les nouvelles pour aujourd'hui. Regulation. Calm in the classroom. Do you ever hear soothing or relaxing music in your classroom? Are there ever images projected on the board designed for a calming purpose? Would these types of things benefit you or your classroom? This might be just what you need to set your day off on the right foot. Discuss this as a strategy with your class. November 15th to 21st is Bullying Awareness and Prevention Week. As was discussed yesterday, we are going to be bringing forward ideas around problem solving. The problem-solving method is what's known as Foursquare, and it hierarchically places different types of problems that you might occur from kind of least difficult to deal with to most difficult to deal with. We are going to start today with talking about conflict. What is a conflict? Well, a conflict is when two people or a group of people are disputing back and forth. Nobody is having fun in this situation. There is sometimes argumentative nature to what you're discussing. The situation involves a peer or a group of peers that are equal, which means there's no imbalance of power. An imbalance of power comes when students are older or have more social credential, or that the idea that one group might be larger than the other, or that an individual themselves are physically bigger than another person. So in a conflict situation, it means that it's a peer versus peer or group of peers versus group of peers, and they are in conflict with each other. There is a solution that will resolve the problem, and that is another thing with regards to conflict. And sometimes that solution is to demonstrate understanding for the other person's point of view or ideas, not necessarily agree, but understanding. One of the greatest lines in terms of social dynamic is seek first to understand, then try to be understood. And when we're talking about conflict, we have to have that in our minds, is if we understand where the other person is coming from, it doesn't mean we're agreeing, but it's showing that we're listening, hearing, and showing understanding. And then the same would occur in the reverse. What is a good solution to conflicts? Well, we need to talk it out. And if necessary, we might need to seek help, which means find an adult, somebody who can help to see and get to that understanding. So when we're on the yard and we're having difficulty with a peer, with a friend, we can discuss it as a form of conflict. Tomorrow we will move up the hierarchy and talk about, hold on, I'm trying to find my mouse here. We will talk about over here, what's something called a mean moment. Okay, a mean moment. A little different than a conflict, but not quite the same as bullying. School clothing orders are now available. Please place your order by this Friday by visiting our school's website and clicking the School Cash Online to find the order form. If you've never used School Cash Online, you may need to get your parents to help set up an account with School Cash Online so that you can make your purchase. Our Scholastic Book Fair from November 30th to December 11th. We are going online. All right. Happy birthday wishes. Well, there are no birthdays for today. That's our announcements for today. Merci et bonne journée. Thanks, Metcalf, and have an outstanding day.